As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Charbroil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Traveler Portable Gas Grill, right? Both propane grills, but they seem pretty different.
Yeah, definitely. Right off the bat, the price is a huge difference. The Charbroil is like $139, and the Weber is $449. That's a significant jump.
For sure. So what are we getting for that extra cash? The Weber is definitely playing up the portability angle. It's designed to fold up and fit in a car trunk, and it even has a built-in cart. The Charbroil, not so much.
True. The Charbroil weighs 37.5 pounds versus the Weber's 32, and it's bigger overall, even if it's not that big, at 45.6 inches wide. The Weber is 43.6 inches wide. Portability seems like the main selling point. The Weber also has a slightly bigger cooking area, fitting 15 burgers versus the Charbroil's 12.
Right, and the Weber only has one burner compared to Charbroil's 2, but its BTU rating is 12,000, while the Charbroil gives you 20,000 BTU total. Does that mean the Weber takes longer to heat up?
Potentially. But the Weber boasts precise temperature control, so maybe it's about even heating rather than raw power. The Charbroil does have that side burner, though, which is handy for sauces.
Good point. I do like that side burner. But the Weber has tool hooks and a side table, which the Charbroil also has a side shelf, so it's really a matter of preference.
Exactly. And, the Weber has a slightly better customer rating, 4.6 stars, compared to Charbroil's 4.1. Plus, it has a bunch of videos showing it off.
Okay, so it sounds like the Weber is for someone who wants a really portable, easy-to-use grill and doesn't mind paying a premium for it. The Charbroil is more of a budget-friendly option for someone who wants a decent-sized grill with a side burner and isn't as concerned about portability.
Pretty much. It all comes down to what you value most. Are you grilling on the go or just in your backyard? That's the key question.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.